Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Station to Station. Let's talk about that daily medal ceremony. This is the big deal. So before the start of class, this will typically be probably on a Tuesday, you're going to let your teams know who won which medals. This is a big deal. The finishing medals, they come in gold, silver, bronze, and lead. Let me tell you, students do not like getting that fourth place lead medal. It's pretty funny. So the award ceremony, you want to make a really big deal about it. Now, I did use like some YouTube clapping that I found, the sounds of clapping for each group. So I put this up on my projector and put up like the gold medal, the silver medal, the bronze and the lead, and then say and hold up the work product that went with that medal for that day. Something that you can do that's really fun is to find, possibly like on Amazon or like 99-cent store, find those little medals, and you can actually have maybe like the team captain come up from each group, and you can put the medal over the student's neck, and they could even wear it that day if they wanted to. So that's just an idea. They really love that if you can actually have like, a fake medal that you could put around their neck. So what does a gold medal really win, right? Why is this such a big deal? Basically, it's bragging rights. Hey, no candy, right? So it's basically the ability to lay claim to that top work product. They are very proud of themselves. And as a bonus, the gold medal team, they get to have the additional advantage of being the first to roll the dice to select their group station for the next day. So again, you want to make a really big deal out of this. It'd be great if you can have music, clapping, if you could have those little medals that you actually put over students' necks and just make a really great big deal out of it. And like I said before, it really is essential that students are seeing why certain work submissions got the gold or the silver, and you really want to talk to the students about why they won that gold medal. What are the details, the text evidence, the things that you were looking for, and it's really fun. So make sure you stick around for the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.